We bought this OGGI mixer so we can start making our own old fashions. And let me tell you how we landed on this. First of all, I love this crystal look. And although it is glass, it is very heavy duty and thick and weighty. Looks just like crystal, feels like crystal, but it's glass, and it is, of course, lead free. I love the crisscross design. I love the pouring spout and that star-like bottom. As you can see here, it's 13.5 ounces, and it does come with this Hawthorne strainer. What I like about this strainer is that it has the springs, and it kind of grips the inside of the cup itself. So if you don't want to hold it really tight, you don't have to. It will stay if you just have it like that. But of course, if you have liquids in it, it will most likely, or it will certainly fall out. The spring is going to stop the ice from coming into the cup, and it does have the two overlay metal pieces as the stopper. It does have a hanging piece there if you do want to hang it. Otherwise, it is a very useful, very sturdy, very well made, and we would highly recommend.